Morning guys, I've got a quick update for you. This is good news for macro photographers using the XF30mm f2.8 macro. This is a very good design. Why? Because they already prepared it for the 3mm filter thread for the Raynox. Look at that. So you just put on the Raynox 250 and give it another 2.5 times magnification on top of the 1:1. So let's try this out. Let's have some fun with this morning and have a look at how does the Raynox behave on this 30mm macro lens. So it just goes I tell you, the Fuji guys, they probably know why people are using Raynox, and they made it exactly fit here. You don't have to use any adapter. That's how it looks like to the front. Look at that, beautiful. Just right fit, and let's see what I can get with this now. So that will means the focusing area is even closer than 1 cm now, right? I like it where the box goes right to the eye. It's crazy, right? I mean, it just like goes right to the eye. Look at that. It's back sharp, right? This one missed. Right. Let's try again. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. So it works very, very well with the Raynox, right? We have a long-legged fly here. Let's try to get hold of it. I love this fly because the colors are beautiful. But the thing about that is when you flash and it just flies away. So I'm not sure if I got that. Yeah, I got it from the back and it's really, really sharp, right? So let's try to hunt for it because I love this fly. The colors are beautiful, metallic blue. Yup, it's back there. It's decided to land. So let's try to get it from the front before it flies away. Yeah, you see, it draw a box around it, you see. Draw a box around it. It's got the eyes. It's got the eyes. So the good thing about having 40 megapixels, I don't need to go too near. Look at that. And still get the tag sharp. Look at that, there's tag sharp. Because being far away a bit, I get a better depth of field rather than trying to poke my camera up the nose of a fly. I know some macro users will disagree with me, but that's just my style. I prefer to be away from the subject rather than right up the subject's nose. Right here, front view. Let's try to get the front view. Okay, let's see if I got it. Yep, that's one. And this one missed. Oh, this is really, really nice. Look at that. Look at that. It's pretty good, right? just my luck, 2 little flies, that's how tiny they are. Look at my finger, that's that. Having it out, making more flies, and we shall try to snap them in action. Right, and the tracking has got their eyes, even though the sunlight is behind. It's quite amazing. I'm surprised at this. Look at that. Oh my god. Caught in action. Having it out there. That's that. Let's try to get a few more. Hopefully I can get more light in, because the light is from behind. I like it that they can track the eyes, even though it's so tiny. Right? Yeah, I managed to get more light in. That's that. Look at that. They're having it out. Jolly good time, right? Morning quickie. So just a quick one, just testing out the Raynox 250 on this, and hope you like the photos, and do follow me on my next video, and subscribe. Look at that, there's so many here today. I'm gonna be shooting this, so you keep watching the photos I'll put in. Do subscribe and share it with your friends. Bye, have a nice day.